Hi, my name is Court Buell. I am Manager of North American Sales for Aukua Systems. I'm coming at you from DesignCon here in Santa Clara, California, where we are demoing our unique 3-in-1 Ethernet testing and monitoring solution. We have here our XGA 4250 platform as well as our MGA2510. We're showing here our multi-gig automotive Ethernet as well as plain 10G base T Ethernet. Aukua Systems, our platforms are unique because we support a 3-in-1 solution, traffic generation, inline analyzer and capture, as well as network impairment emulation. And we support a whole gamut of different connection from 10 meg up to 25 gig, as well as multi-gig base T1 automotive Ethernet, as well as system-side interfaces such as overclock SGMI, slowdown Ziffy, and USX GMII. And folks who've come by our booth have been quite excited to see our unique combination of precision as well as simplicity of our GUI in operation. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and have a great day.